Hello, welcome to Sharma classes. Today's my topic is important tricks for hybridizations. In this video, we will learn about hybridizations, important structures of hybridizations, and the recognitions of hybridizations in the different structures. So these videos mostly asked in the exams of NEET, JEE Mains, JEE Advanced. So let us take some examples and understanding through important tricks. So important tricks for hybridizations. Uh, for starting, for better understanding of the hybridization, first of all, we have the knowledge about steric number. So, what is the steric number? Steric number is the sum of sigma bond and lone pair on the central atom. So here, first of all, we have the knowledge about sigma bonds, then lone pairs. So sigma bonds, all the single bonded carbon atoms are sigma bonded, and the second lone pair. The electrons that do not take part in the chemical reactions. So these are the sigma bonds and the lone pairs. So for understanding the steric number, let us take some examples. So we take some example like methane having the formula CH4. So we can write it as in the bond structures like this. So if we calculate in the structure steric number, that comes to here the number of, first of all, we have to calculate the sigma bonds. Sigma bonds 1, 2, 3 and 4. Sigma bond comes to 4 plus lone pair. In these structures, there is no any kind of lone pairs. Means there is no any lone pairs that do not take part in chemical reaction. So we write it 0. And the steric number comes to 4. Our steric number comes to 4 for the methane structures. And let's drop it. Okay, after calculating the steric number, we have to draw a table. With the help of that table, we can easily find that the hybridizations of this structure. So let us draw some table like steric number, hybridizations, and the geometry. So we have the hybridization like sp, sp2, sp3, sp3d, sp3d2 and sp3d3. So total of we mostly see these kind of hybridization and steric numbers. With the help of these hybridizations, we can write here steric number like P has 1, P is 1, S1, so comes to 2, 2 and 1 comes to 3, 3 and 1 comes to 4, this one, 1 and 3, 1, 4 and 5. sp3d2 के लिए आएगा d2 3 to 5 and 6, 3, 3, 6 and 7. So the geometry comes to linear, then trigonal, planar, tetrahedral. After that trigonal bipyramidal, bipyramidals, then square bipyramidal, and the last one is the pentagonal bipyramidals. Okay. The methane structures having steric number 4, so the hybridizations of this structure comes to sp3 hybridizations. So we have to draw this table, and we can calculate all the hybridizations for all the structures. So let us take some more examples. Let us take one example like PCl5. Here PCl5, we can write it like this: Cl 1 2 3 4 and 1 Cl. So if we see here again the sigma bonds comes to 1 2 3 4 and 5. So sigma bonds comes to 5 and there is no any kind of lone pair, so steric number comes to 5. If we see corresponding to 5, the hybridizations comes to sp3d. so hybridizations of PCl5 comes to sp3d. So let's take some more examples for better clarifications. Let us take one example like NH3, ammonia. So in the case of ammonia, there is one lone pairs, and we can draw the structure like this. So if we calculate the steric number of ammonia, then sigma bonds 1 2 3 plus, and there is one lone pair, so we write 1. So steric number for ammonia structure comes to 4, and for the steric number 4, the hybridization again comes to sp3. Hybridizations of sp3. Let us take some more example for better clarifications. Like we have some example H3C single bond CH3. Okay, then we can write these structures like in the bond structures. Again, if we calculate steric number for this carbon atom, then steric number comes to, there is 1 2 and 3. 3 comes to sigma bonds, and there is no any kind of lone pair on the carbon atom, so the steric number comes to 3, and this carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. And again, if we calculate for this carbon atoms, then steric number comes to same, that is 3 plus 0, again sp2 hybridized.